Why don't we just rush?
30 seconds.
Oh, shoot. Oh, hit.
I suck a nut, bro. Ah.
Shit.
Well, GG's for that guy.
Well, that was really fun.
Well,
Guys,
just...
just...
dead rig.
Dead man walking!
Dead man walking.
This way, guys.
Dead man walking. We're not gonna have enough time.
Yeah, we're not even gonna have enough time.
Watch this thing.
Oh, I just got bit up in that mine shaft.
Dude, yeah. Oh, fuck. What the hell is that?
I think. I don't know.
Dead man.
But I'm not gonna mess with it. Not a big mess with him.
You said 5 minutes or 30 seconds?
5. Oh, okay.
Alright, keep walking.
Dead man.
Let's go.
Shit. That guy was pointing his gun right at me too. Like, does that guy? There's a guy over there, but I don't know.
Let's just get the spot and get back real quick.
Yeah. I don't know if he's trying to go radio silence. What the hell?
We're taking some fire in the mine shaft up closer. You guys want to head up there with us? Bring a few more guys.
Cool, let's go.
Am I recording?
You haven't been recording this whole time. I'm recording, right?
Oh, yeah.
I think I'm.
Mine shaft.
Help me step over.
Radio silence.
Man, I got bit up Ebola.
Dude, yeah, he just sprayed. I'm
I got
surprised.
bit up by mosquitoes.
Imagine if he was. Imagine if that was a full auto guy.
That's that. Push the objective. There's only 2 minutes left.
Hey! Is up with us?
No, push the objective. 2 minutes.
No, well, we're taking fire in the mine shaft, so I'm going over there.
Right, okay, we're pushing.
Man, we should come to operate him. No, shit. I think I got ricocheted. I'm just gonna... ricocheted.
Oh, yeah, there's a guy there. There's a guy peeking over the edge of the building.
Come on, Robbie.
Hey, I think there's a person in the base, too. I just saw an orange tip. Oh, my God. I'm gassed. And... okay. Dude, I hate fences. The BBs slip right through. Yeah, green. Green. Almost got shot at.
Hey, move up, move up.
Move up. Hey, we found Tony. We found Tony. Whoa. Oh,
Thanks.
okay.
Hit.
Oh,
Dude, you blew? No. Nope.
I saw you got banged and I was trying to reach for my pistol. Oh, wait, whoa, whoa! Shit. Shit, that hit right here and he has a sniper. Oh, really? That was pretty hard.
Yeah, we should just go ahead and walk off. Sock it and drop it.